Good morning, students. We are going to study the new subject software engineering and project management in this semester. The subject carries the 100 marks and has the 3 credits. The exam will be conducted in 2 stages. One is the in-sem for 30 marks and end-sem for 70 marks. In this subject, you are going to study the 6 units. First 3 units are focusing on the software engineering principles, estimation, design models, etc. Whereas the next three units, that is unit 4, 5, 6, are focusing on the project management, matrix, estimation, and risk. Now, one by one, we'll study all the units in detail, and then we will follow the guidelines which are given in this unit also. After completion of each unit, you have to complete the case study on the real-time example or application. In the first unit, for example, they have given the case study as information system for mental health care systems. And another one is the wilderness weather system. These 2 case studies are mentioned in the syllabus, but we have to consider the more case studies so that we can apply the studied knowledge, the acquired knowledge to the real-time problems. Why we are going to study this subject? So there are some course objectives. These course objectives indicates why we are studying this subject, why to learn this subject. Whereas the course outcomes indicates after the completion of this subject, after studying this subject, what will be the benefit to the students. So first, the course objectives are, there are 5 course objectives. Number 1, to learn and understand the principle of software engineering. 2, to be acquired with the methods of capturing, specifying, visualizing, and analyzing the software requirements. Third one is to apply design and testing principles to the software engineering projects. Fifth is to understand the project management through the life cycle of the projects. And the last one is to understand software quality attributes. These 5 objectives indicate that why we are going to study this subject, why there is need to study this subject, being a computer engineering. Now the course outcomes are here. Again, there are 6 course outcomes. After completion of this subject, the student will be able to decide on a process model for developing a software project. You will be able to develop the software project on your own by selecting any real-time problem from the wall. Second one is classify software applications and identify unique features of various domains. You will be able to classify the application softwares, which one is better, which one is